We're here with the guys from Send Performance. If you guys remember this Corvette, this is a 2004 that took me almost 3 months from the auction to get. Then we got it down here and wouldn't go more than like, what, 2 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Had some codes to it. These guys solved the problem, so I'll let you guys hear right from the source on how to fix it.
What's going on, everybody? Chris here with Mr. Send It, and we're out here gonna give you a brief description of what's going on. This is Chris right here. He's my son. He's the one that runs the shop. He is the Corvette guru. He's the one that does 90% of my work. Excellent work, by the way. I say it like this: when this car came in, it had a column lock issue, which would only allow it to go over 2 miles an hour. Then it would cut off. We went ahead and we purchased the part through
Top Flight Corvette.
Top Flight Corvette.
Top Flight Corvette.
And we installed it. We followed their instructions on here, and it worked out perfect on here. Also came in with an AC issue. The AC compressor was leaking. We went ahead and got that fixed up. Also, it also came in on the window regulator. Window regulator was out. We had parts in stock, so Corvette parts we do carry in stock: C4, C5, and some C6. Thank God to Bobby right here bringing this beautiful work to us. We're allowed to work on these vehicles and take care of them. If you ever have any questions about the vehicles we put our hands on, you can get with Bobby. Bobby will get with us, and we'll let you know exactly what we went through. We go from the back of the vehicle to the front of the vehicle. We go underneath the vehicle to the top of the vehicle. Everything we do, we want to make sure that it's good quality work for the customers. I'm sorry I'm not in the best environment. He caught me off guard, but I'm going to try my best right now. And like I said, on every one of the vehicles he brings to me, we make sure we give good quality work. If you have any questions, get with Bobby, get with me. I'm Mr. Send It. That's my boy Chris right there, and we're the number ones when it comes to Corvettes, and Bobby Moore is the number one when it comes to selling these cars. Great product, great reviews. I love the guy. I've been doing business with him forever, and I really appreciate him for giving me my first start, him and his dad, on my first Camaro, which was 5 years ago. It was the biggest payoff I ever had because it brought great value between me and him. So now, like I said, if you have any questions, get with Bobby. Bobby will get with me. I'll get with you, and I'll be able to help you out. I'm Mr. Send It, and it's nice talking to you.
And if you guys have any issues with that service column lock, pull key out 10 seconds, these are the guys to call. What's your phone number for the shop?
Phone number for the shop is 361-799-0865. You can call me. We can speak. I don't care what time it is. No, I'm lying to you. Don't call after 10 o'clock. Don't do that. Give me a call. Give me a shout. If you can't get a hold of me, text me, and I will get back with you.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it, Chris.
Yeah, I appreciate you, Bobby.
Chris. Yes, sir. And let's get this Corvette ready for sale and in your garage. Y'all take care.
Take care.